Where is Lulu? By Clyde Beach. Oh no! Lulu, it's time to go, calls Ma. Where is Lulu? Is she under the sofa? Is she behind the curtain? Where is Lulu? Is she next to the stove? Is she in the cupboard? Lulu, it's time to go. Where are you? Calls Ma. There you are. I don't want to go. We have to go, says Ma. But I really like this one. I really like this one. And this one. And this one. And this one. See? You return books and borrow more. Yay! Where is Lulu now? This book is available at freekidsbooks.org and was recorded using Screencast-O-Matic.